Okay, this is the OMOTON wireless keyboard. I'm gonna use it for my iPhone, but it's for smartphones and tablets. Here's the packaging on it. It looks pretty cheesy to me. Don't love the branding at all, but from what I understand, it's well made. So let me open it up. See what we got on our hands here. I'm so bad at opening these things. Okay, so it's wrapped in foam, which is great. The price point on this is so inexpensive. I really already feel impressed with it. Yeah, it's killer. Looks just like an Apple keyboard. Buttons feel great. Yeah, I'm super pumped to use this. This will make my iPhone way more useful to me, so I totally recommend this thing. It's awesome.